Hi viewers, welcome to English News 111 channel. Today we are going to see an interesting topic that what is a complete food. That is a food which contains every nutrition of minerals, carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins, etc. For example, if we have an egg, it contains a complete protein but it don't have carbohydrates. Again we come across if we eat potatoes, we have good carbohydrates there but we lost protein. If we eat carrots, we will gain vitamin A but we will not gain carbohydrates, protein, etc. Each and every food has some specifications, like one food contains carbohydrates, the other contains protein, the one more contains vitamins and another contains minerals, etc. But what is a complete food? That is, which food contains every essential nutrient needed for man to grow. Come viewers, let us see what is that complete food. The complete food is nothing but a milk. Milk is regarded as a complete food because of its rich content of protein, fat, carbohydrates, all known vitamins and various minerals essential for sustaining life and maintaining good health. The proteinous milk is known to have all major amino acids required for building tissues and the repair of damaged cells in our body. Milk is labeled as a complete food because it packs all essential nutrients like carbs, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins except iron, says a Bangalore-based nutritionist. According to her, the two essential nutrients in milk that is make it so nutritious are: milk is highly recommended for people suffering from constipation. Drinking warm milk is good for people with stomach problems and even those who have erratic meal timings. It is full of proteins such as casein, albumin and globulin. Milk is a good source of B vitamins, especially vitamin B12, that ensures healthy functioning of a brain and nervous system. The book Healing Foods by DK Publishing House mentions that milk has high amount of vitamin B3, that is niacin, which may help to maintain a steady weight and improve energy expenditure. The calcium in dairy foods also increase the metabolism of fats. This further suggests that calcium content in milk may reduce the risk of hypertension by maintaining the elasticity of blood vessels. Moreover, goat and sheep milk contain capric acid, a healthy fat that helps in raising the levels of HDL cholesterol or good cholesterol. Diabetics can also enjoy a glass of milk of this wonderful beverage for its palmitoleic acid, another healthy fat protects against insulin resistance. So have it all by itself or blend it with your favorite fruits to make a shake. Milk is great any which way. In the scorching weather, you can even make some cooling sherbets with milk, always a good option. So to show the importance of the milk, the world is celebrating World Milk Day on June 1st. June 1st is regarded as a World Milk Day by the United Nations. All culture looks up to milk as a healthiest drink. The campaign was initiated by Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations to recognize the importance of milk. Loaded with the nutrients like proteins, it is believed too much more nutritious than most beverages. Milk has been recognized as an important part of our daily diet across all cultures. Be it is our daily cup of coffee, tea, or in shakes, smoothies, and ice cream, milk has numerous uses, but it's most often enjoyed all by itself. This is probably because milk is regarded as a complete meal. But why so? And it is true, so we set out to discover. Happy World Milk Day, viewers.
If you like this channel, please subscribe and click bell button.